Good morning. It's a momentous day for the equity markets here in India, with the Sensex hitting 60,000 points and breaching that mark comfortably. Yesterday we came close, but today that mark was hit within the first couple of minutes of trading, and it's impressive because of the journey it has had since the low point of last year. It's been an almost uninterrupted rise from the bottom, from the lows of less than 30,000 after the pandemic struck, to where we stand right now. Today's move, and let's talk about the move today. You have the likes of Asian Paints that is gaining about 3.5% or so. You have HCL Tech, Infosys, TCS all looking good. So the IT companies powering the move today. You have Bharti Airtel that's looking very good, about 1.7% higher. But speaking about those IT companies, it's possibly on the back of the results that were reported by Accenture. Quite a few investors in the IT space here in India taking heart from that and expecting that revenues will be better for the Indian IT companies as well. Larsen & Toubro also looking quite good today, up as much as 1.3%. Bajaj Auto, HDFC Bank, Sun Pharma, some of the other gainers in trade today. Bajaj Finance is the big laggard, and losing as much as 0.8% right now, and you have a couple of the other financial names. Bajaj Finserv also makes the cut in terms of the losers, down as much as 0.5% today. SBI also trading a little weak today. But overarching factors that you need to bear in mind, and if you want to talk about the broader markets, let's also get into that. L&T Infotech gaining quite well today. Infosys, so quite a few of the IT names doing incredibly well. You have Mindtree also that's gaining about 3.3%. L&T Tech gaining as much as 3.8%. Oracle gaining over 3% at this juncture. HCL Tech doing quite well, 3% higher. So you get the picture. It's primarily the IT companies today that are powering the move ahead. Among the losers, you have PVR, JSW Steel, Apollo Hospitals, Havells, Tata Steel. So one could say that some of the financial names, some of the metal names are looking just a tad bit weak. But the overarching factor is that things are looking good for the equity markets here in India, and global cues that could have caused a bit of a stutter, a bit of a stumble, didn't come through. And you have the fact that the Fed is likely to go for a taper, yes, but that landing is not going to be as jarring as people had initially anticipated. At least that's the thinking right now. And Evergrande seems to be a controlled execution rather than a haphazard one, and so parallels drawn to the Lehman crisis have already been rubbished. So all of these factors playing a part in propelling the Indian equity markets forward. We'll have to see where we close today. Already we're significantly above the 60,000 mark, so it looks like we'll comfortably close above that mark today. And as I said at the start, it's certainly a momentous day for the Indian equity markets.